What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Two-Way Bassin. We're at a pond that is right across the pasture from us, where we were. Hold on. We were just stalking it. Shut up! We were just stalking it with bass. The dog's trying to annoy me. But yeah, we were stalking it with bass. There's, I think, 15 bass in there already. There's some catfish. I'm just gonna head over with my bait caster, fish for a couple minutes, and then see where that gets me.
No, Seth, I didn't stop and...
Out here at the pond. See that, got my bait caster. Show you what I'm fishing here in a minute, but hold on. I made this for myself, two-way bassin custom lures. Hold on a minute. Let me see. Kind of film in here. That's what it kind of looks like. Hold on. Let me get focus yet. So when it looks, if I can actually get a view of it in the water. So I'm at the pond right now, using my little bait caster, but this is the pond I'm fishing. I don't have a boat right now, but Two-Way Bassin custom lures. I don't know if you can see it right now, but dark clarity water. It's kind of like a little jig, but yeah, I'm just out here with my little Pinnacle rod and reel. Just runs for about 30 bucks. Got some 15-pound mono on. We just stocked this pond about last weekend. I think that they're going to be under that cover right there, or right over there. So like if you look closer, it's pretty shallow over that way. Look, we might come catfishing down here tonight. We have permission to fish it today. But see you in a minute. Just gotta finish a few casts out and I'll let you know if we got any fish. Stay tuned. So my tactics for this is I'm just using a little Two-Way Bassin custom fixes today. I'm just getting a good old cast out there. I'm letting that thing sink because it got a little twirly tail on the back, grub, as most of people call them. And I'm just letting it float down. I'm ripping it up, float down, ripping it up, giving that skirt a lot of it, making the skirt give it a lot of action. But see if I can get more over this so it doesn't lose my casting. This is a warm water pond. So there's frogs in here. There is a lot of catfish in here. Laying down, there's quite a bit of seaweed in here that I know of. But yeah, tonight we might be able to go catfishing. But John B, Fishing the Midwest, if you're watching this, give me some tips on how to fish warm water, dark water. It's like muddy water, but it's warmer than your usual river. But yeah, give me some tips on, like, you should make a fishing video on like tips and tricks on how to fish warm, muddy water. Right now, I gotta go. Then it sinks down. There's that log pile out there. Probably can't see it right now, but I'm gonna post a video tonight. I know the video's a little late, but it's on dove hunting. So, in this pond, nobody fishes it. It's just me. So, and maybe a couple friends. But we're gonna take the boat out tonight, hopefully. Try out the new trolling motor. And yeah, hopefully get on some cats. There is a lot of catfish in here that are about 6 to 12 inches. But she said, the lady that owns it, she said that some of them are dying off. So there's not a lot of. They're getting bigger. It's currently 12:11 right now. So yep. There's 15 bass in this pond. We need to stock it some more, but I'm currently heading back to the house right now. Add me on Snapchat, 208 Bassin. So yeah, see you later.